Okay, so finally hands-on with Android 12.1, a first custom ROM based on Android 12.1, or you can say Android 12L, called Evolution X OS, which includes all the Android 12L features for you. I think so might be a very good choice. For example, if you move on to the wallpapers and section, let me enable the themed icons, which looks damn cool. By the way, Android 12L, the things which you get in Android 12L, etc., I've already shared with you. This is how it is looking like, and I already have a video on Android 12L, so make sure to check out that. I will provide you the link for that, all things which you have in Android 12L, change log, etc. And in Evolution XOS, you can see the things are basically same, and this is what you have enabled. For example, you can see this is it's looking like, of course, it's Android 12L or Android 12.1, whatever you want to say. You have the Pixel launcher pre-installed included. Some things were removed from this Evolution XOS custom in this latest update. For example, some customizations, but this is not a big deal. If you're able to notice one thing in the quick settings panel, of course, the background is now black, which was white actually in the previous updates, but including that those cool, useful, interesting looking animations are super smooth in Android 12L, and this is what we have in Evolution XOS. Of course, in some custom ROMs, the latest update, we have this kind of UI available, like this pop-ups, but with these animations we have this available in Evolution XOS. Might be a very good choice for you. By the way, I've installed it on Redmi Note 10 Pro. Of course, it's not a device specific review, but looks good. You can see the evolution of your device now on 12.1. The evolver is still there, which means some customizations are still included, not much. Some are removed. For example, monet settings are removed. You can get those monet settings easily by installing Repainter, and I have a video on that, so make sure to check out that if you want to check it out. Other things is just kind of same. This is the version which I'm using right now, Evolution X, based on Android 12. Version 6.2 Snow version with the March security patch. All the new things are already included in this one, and as I just said, I think so it might be very good choice for you too if you want to install something interesting based on Android 12.1. And for example, if you take a look at the Android 12.1 features or 12L features, the clear all is now not an option. It's actually a button, which I have shared with you in my first video of Android 12L. This is what we have. This is not a major change, but of course minor also matters for sure. Including this, if you move on to the volume panel, expanded volume panel, these volume styles are now changed to Android 11 kind of things, and the see more option is now renamed to settings, which is also available as button. And of course, the safety status matters a lot. So yes, safety status is also not having any kind of issue. Safety status is passing without root. I have installed this on my primary device, and I think so it's a good choice. I didn't got any kind of bugs so far, no major bugs, no minor works until now, and including that I haven't rooted my device, so yes, it matters a lot. If you move on to the evolver, as I just mentioned, that of course some customizations were removed, but not the major ones. You can see some notification customizations, some quick settings customizations, power menu customizations, and a lot more other customizations are already included. For example, the gesture related options, we have buttons related customizations, we have lock screen, we have animations, miscellaneous, etc. Miscellaneous, let me show you some things in miscellaneous. For example, the game space, which you have available in Evolution XOS. Of course, you can't get these things in Android 12.1 or 12L ported ROM from the Pixel one. So this is why I've told you that you need to install Evolution XOS for sure. You can see unlimited photos, unlimited unlock, higher FPS in games, and higher quality streams, etc. And there are tons of other things for you to try out. I think so this might be a very good choice for you. So these were some major and minor things which I just want to let you know about the latest new Android 12.1 update. The first customer might be, which is called Evolution XOS. So make sure to give it a try. So these are things I just want to let you know. Link is in the description. If you like this video, don't forget to like and share this. I will see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air.